Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, also known as Dear Forensic Lady. Chapter called New Idea. Right now, Linian, she was laughing at heart. Well, she really removed her scar forcefully on herself, but she was really a brave girl, even though it was painful. Right now, she's trying to calm herself. She was only sitting on the bathtub, and it was like she was thinking, whatever happens, part of it, she has a fault on it. Back then, it was Officer Song. Right now, she came to the hospital because of the injury she's been encountered. Well, her argument with Dr. Lin are really put her in the hospital right now. Well, Dr. Lin, she is really a black filter. It's quite dangerous for you. Doctor said to her, almost a broken bone. Well, it was right. Doctor, it is important. Ji Jing Sing, Song Yu Hang's sister, Song Yu Chen's widow. Oh, it turns out Song Yu Hang brothers already died. I'm fine, Song Yu Hang said. Sister, don't worry. Well, it seems that she was not really okay. Most of it, that injuries were serious. Other than Dr. Lin, it's not a big deal, doctor said to them. But how did you do this? Fight with someone? Well, right now, remembering what happened on last night. Officer Song right now, he remembers when Dr. Lin looks vulnerable on her side. Well, for now, of course, she can tell anyone what happened last night. But maybe it will come the secret of the two of them. From now on, I shouldn't have been so impulsive last night. Well, she was right. At least now she's having remorse of what she done last night. It really hurt Dr. Lin last night. Most of it, she got more injury other than her. Well, it turns out, Dr. Lin, she was really strong girl. Alright, I'll go and make prescription. You guys can wait here. Get the medicine later. Finish the ointments once a day. Remember to take oral medicines on time. Well, right now, her sister-in-law said good, but she's trying to scold her. You. Probably she want to remind her what she done is not good to her, especially the two of them are both officers. But her sister-in-law said, did you lose in love? That's why she's having arguments with someone else. But looking into it, it looked like she really lost her love. No, why do you say that? Officer Song. Now she looks really serious. Of course, it's not about love, but more of it. She has really a high ego. That's why she's being impulsive last night. It's nothing, I just really see a look on your face. Now, her sister's trying to tease her. Sister, Xiaowei should be out of school now. How about you stop accompanying me? Now, she's going to shoo away her sister-in-law so that she can tease her. Officer Song, she's kinda cute. She was acting like a baby. Suddenly, their conversation got interrupted. Someone is calling her right now. It may be an important call for her. Right now, Song Yu-hang, answer the call. I'll tell you the specific situation later. I'll be right away. Song Yu-hang said to the other person, but right now she is rushing to the scene. Well, another incident. Xicheng District Green Building. Turns out this time, it was a construction site. Oh, another case for them. Officer Song, right now, she is checking the scene. Well, looking at her, seems to be serious. Now, the other officer was there. Well, what about Linian? Still not with them. As the body has been identified, investigation is still ongoing. The specific situation still needs wait for forensic Dr. Lin to come. Well, right now, someone is calling her again. Her phone is ringing. Officer Song, she really got busy. From one call, another talking, and then another call again. Well, it was right in time. Finally, Dr. Lin's now arrived on the scene. But Officer Song Seems to be busy talking to someone. Dr. Lin, right now, she looks really gorgeous, but she was still limping because the injury she got last night. Sister, Dr. Lin, one of the officers is greeting her, but right now, she's wearing the sunglasses. What's wrong with the cloudy days? Need sun protections only when it's cloudy. You understand? Now, Dr. Lin, seems that she's not in a good mood today. Well, for the other officer, because Dr. Lin seems to be not in good terms. Always good. I can pick you up today. Now she's trying to tease her colleague. She was still talking to someone. Just be obedient and let's meet up another day, okay? With whom? Flirting. Now she really gets jealous. The officer Song is talking to someone. Well, for her, it was really disgusting. Looking at her, she was still limping. She was walking. Now it's looked like it's going to slide. Well, it was really hurtful. She really falls down on the floor. But suddenly, there's someone goes on her back. It turns out it was Officer Lin. Well, she really rashly to grab hers on the back so that she cannot fall down. She really trying to calm herself. Now she's being civil. Both of them are looking at each other. It's really awkward, especially to Dr. Lin. Officer Song right now. She looks really worried about her. Are you okay? Well, most of it, she was really concerned about her. But right now, Officer Song, Dr. Lin said to her, she was rushing to stay away from her. I think it's better to take care more about yourself. Dr. Lin said to Song Yuhang. Well, because she knows she really hurt her also. She stand like that. Of course, Officer Song of Team. Almost her bones become broken. Well, Officer Song is trying to get a touchy case of Dr. Lin. But it seems two of them are really in high ego. Of course, Dr. Lin will rejected her. Well, let's see what will happen next. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Finally become soft to each other. Officer Song right now, she become more aware. Now she is showing that she really cares for her. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!